Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for your Dyson 360 Vis Nav. If you're interested in this Dyson, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can also find links to our top robot vacuum picks, wet dry vacuum picks, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. And you can shop and use our new robot vacuum comparison tool to compare multiple models together. So on our vacuum right here, back to its maintenance, let's start at the top. First, we have a filter, and it's really cool. You just press the filter, and it pops out. And then inside right here, we actually have a removable filter. And you might be wondering, hey, can we wash or rinse this filter out? Why don't you look at that filter and let me know what you think? What a really clever design from Dyson. I love that attention to detail. So you can wash and rinse this filter out as needed. Just give it plenty of time to dry out. You can also wash and rinse this out as well too. I try not to get some of the springs and internal components wet, so just do that more as like a last resort, or just be careful. But you can just grab like a little wipe and wipe that down. You can wash and rinse that out, give it plenty of time to dry. In here, not much to it. You can just look around, visually inspect, and make sure things are free and clear from any sort of clogging. And then we can just take this guy, and we'll just gently press it right back in place there. Next up, at the top, press this red button to eject the dustbin here. And we have a nice carry and grip handle with a red button at the top of that handle. If we do that, go ahead, do it over a trash can so you can empty out all of the dirt, dust, and debris. And if we look over here on this side, we have a little sticker and then this little red arrow. And that allows us to take this whole cover off, so we could wash and rinse that out, make sure that's free from any clogs or obstructions there. And you can give this a deeper clean as well. I like to use a can of compressed air, and you can zap and clean that filter. While we have those removed, we can look at the dustbin area on the vacuum and just inspect it again for any clogs or debris there. And then this all gets put back together just like so. So that lines up there, and this just gently snaps in, and then we can just shut everything, and then the handle can come back down, and then we can take this, and it should just snap right back in place. I also want to mention up at the top, wipe down the 360 vision sensor every once in a while too. It's just like a microfiber cloth in case there's any dirt, dust, or debris starting to accumulate on there. Now we can look at the very front. Not much to it here. You can just wipe that down as needed and make sure the charging contacts are free and clear from debris. Same thing on the side right here. Just wipe down that IR sensor. Here's a look at the back side. Not much to it to do there. And then same thing, you can wipe down the sensor on the other side. And then looking at the underside, we have a red button right there that we can press, and that opens up this cover here. And then we have another little red button that we can press, and that takes the main brush roller out. So we can cut away any hair. We can wipe this down as well, replace it once it's worn out. And in here, a can of compressed air would be your best friend, or a wipe if you want to clean anything else that's starting to accumulate. And then you can take this, just put it right back on, and then gently snap that back in place. Same with this cover, just like so. You can make sure that that sensor is free and clear from any obstructions or debris. You can wipe down the underside. And then for the wheels, you can look in the treads. Just grab a toothbrush if you need to clean anything in the wheel compartment, and make sure those springs and everything are still moving freely. Very simple, straightforward. Another sensor right there you can make sure is clean as well. But overall, very easy to clean and maintain this unit.